Hey Ethereum! Welcome back to my new video and Takrim Media. Top 4 Best Motorcycle Battery 12V Review. Number 4. The 32700 LiFePO4 Battery Pack 4S3P delivers 12.8V 100Ah capacity with a 20A continuous and 60A balanced battery management system, BMS. It ensures safe, stable performance for electric boats, uninterrupted power supplies, and 12V systems. Durable and efficient, this pack is perfect for long-lasting, high-power energy needs. Number 3. Description: Battery pack, built-in high current, high capacity, rechargeable battery, used for 12V mobile power supply, spray, and other equipment. Packaging details: 1 battery pack, product parameters, battery type, lithium-ion battery, scale voltage, 12.6V, battery model, 18650, battery voltage, 12V, combination method, 3S6P, comprehensive ability, 21,000 hours. Number 2. The 3S6P 12V 30Ah lithium-ion battery pack features high-capacity 18,650 cells, a 40A built-in battery management system, BMS, and XT60 DC5521 connectors for compatibility. Delivering up to 400W output, it's ideal for high-power applications such as motorcycle lamps. Durable, lightweight, and reliable for various portable energy needs. Number 1. This 12V LiFePO4 battery pack is designed for kid scooters and other deep cycle applications. Available in 6Ah to 100Ah capacities, it features a built-in battery management system, BMS, for safety, durability, and efficient performance. Lightweight, tax-free, and long-lasting, it's the perfect choice for powering scooters or other low-voltage devices. If you enjoy this content and want to see more type of content, be sure to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.